Hi friends, in today's video I will be doing a quick review and unboxing of brand new 12.9-inch 4th generation iPad Pro. Come, let's get started. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I recently got a new 12.9-inch 4th gen Space Gray iPad Pro. All 2020 iPad Pro comes with a base storage of 128 GB and a 6 GB RAM. The 2020 iteration of the iPad Pro is essentially a minor spec bump over the 2018 models. There are really only few things that are new here: the processor, the Pro camera, Pro microphones and LiDAR sensors. Inside the box, you can find 12.9-inch Space Gray iPad Pro, USB Type-C charging cable and 18 watts adapter. This year's iPad Pro comes with a very few notable features: Pro cameras, Pro microphone, A12Z bionic chip and a LiDAR sensor to improve augmented reality. Talking about the storage, this year's iPad Pro comes with 128 GB of base storage and can go up to 1 TB. All iPad Pros comes with a 6 GB of RAM. The biggest change is the new camera system. The camera bump on the back of the iPad Pro is a big square now with two regular camera sensors and a new LiDAR sensor. Apple has put in a 12 megapixel main wide sensor with an 1.8 aperture, and a new this year is a 10 megapixel ultra wide sensor at f2.4 with a 125 degree of field of view. Anyway, the reason for including LiDAR is for faster and more accurate augmented reality. This year iPad Pro, you still get the same 12.9-inch Retina display with the same resolution, same maximum 600 nits brightness and same curved corners. Even the 120Hz refresh rate remains the same. Other features such as P3 color space accuracy and Apple's adaptive True Tone technology remains the same. Apple has priced its 2020 iPad Pro with the same base price as its previous 2018 models. 11-inch starts at $799 USD and $99 USD for 12.9-inch variant. The iPad Pro 2020 doesn't really add any new exciting functionality that will change majority of the users' day-to-day usage, though the cameras are a nice addition, while the LiDAR sensor holds a lot of future potential. If you are coming from Android or older iPad than 2018, then this could be a good option. Friends, what do you think about this 2020 iPad Pro? Will you wait for the next iPad Pro with a mini LED? Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. For more tech videos, please subscribe to our iTech channel. Thank you for watching iTech.